Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, alright, we're doing the spark plugs on a 2015 INFINITI QX80. Spark plugs here, 8 of them. Let's get it. We're going to start with these bolts. Get this engine cover off. That was 10 millimeter. Under there. Get these bolts. 10 mil. That's a dumb design. Alright, here we go. Got the engine exposed. See this passenger side. Alright, these should be pretty easy to get to. All 4 of those. Alright, we got these bolts, they're 10 mil. Get them out of there. Now, this bolt, gotta take out the oil dipstick. Got a 10 mil on there. Got that 10 mil deep socket on that. Alright, coil packs out. Got them all out. I left the connectors on, but you get to hear this one. You're gonna have to take that connector out. It's not going to stretch back far enough. So we're going to go ahead and take off our battery terminal. Take that ground off. Alright, got that out. That was pretty tight, tough to get out. Alright, now we can work on these spark plugs. You got a 3/8 ratchet on it. You got 2 extensions and a 14 mil deep socket. So I was able to get all 4 of them out with that. Get them all out. All them 4 out. Now we gotta head to the harder side. It's a little bit, we got to take off a little bit more. It's a little bit more tighter, but we can make it happen though. Alright, this is where I'm at. Check the mass airflow sensor connector out. Press that tab in, pull it. It's gonna be tough, but you can get it out. Pull that from there. Gonna be tough. Pull it out. He snaps, clips, holding it in. 8 mil or flathead. Another clip. We're just trying to get a little bit more access down here. I took the connector off here, off that coil pack. And when you get over there to the second one, it's a little tighter. All this covering it. Focus. Alright, we got this right here. See these 2 tabs, one on each side. Push them in and pry it down. Wiggle it off. I just did it. Just went from side to side and pulled down. Now, gotta get to this bolt and probably take off that connector. This wire harness is like all in the way. So all in front of these coil packs. Right, I have to remove this one too from this bracket. Alright, I was able to remove all of the harness connectors. Now I'm gonna work on the bolts. So I was able to use the same setup to get the first two out. 1 and 2. Got those loose. Now you gotta shorten up the extension because this in the way. I get the other 2 in the back. I was able to get that third one out, or the second to the last, with that one extension. But that one I went down, took both the extensions out, and just went in my deep socket, and we got it loose. That's one coil pack. Got that out. You just gotta get it past this wire harness. Just move it this way. See, I got the second one out that way. Just move all of this wire, press down on the wire harness, and you can make it work. Alright, that's all 4 of them. It's pretty tough on this side, man, but it can be done. It's just this wire harness is in the way. We're gonna work on the spark plugs next. Alright, I was able to get all 3 of them out with the 2 extensions. And now we get to this back one. Of course, we're gonna have to shorten it up. Alright, so that 1 extension did the trick. Got them all out. Part number is anti-seize. We're gonna put this on the threads. That helps when you come back out, when you take the job, you do it again, you take them out, it's gonna come out easy. And these is, it's kind of tough coming out. Just like that. That brush, get the brushing in them threads, man. Let's get it. Alright, when reinstalling, you want to make sure you finger tight first. Don't go in straight with the ratchet because you don't want to cross thread. And just like that, we done. Driver side complete, passenger side. You want to make sure your connectors to the coil packs, make sure they snap back in. You're going to hear it click or click. Get your dipstick, put that back in there. That's going to be it, man. Till next video, gang. Pull up, Ken.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'm gonna ride for this, I'm gonna grind for this, I did time for this.